Hello, World Geography. Hi guys. I hope you are all doing well. What a crazy time. I'm just gonna be on here briefly just to kind of give you guys an idea of what's kind of maybe you can be expecting. So starting next week, which will be um, March the 30th, okay? It's kind of when we're going to start like looking at some academic stuff. And you just need to know everything's going to be on Google Classroom, okay? So everything we need to do will be there and all the information I give you will be there, okay? It's going to be super manageable. Okay, first things, we are going to try and continue with our projects. Now, with that being said, I understand that things are going to have to be changed, okay? You might not have all the resources that you would have at school, and so that's when things get a little bit dicey, okay? So you all should have your trifolds, and hopefully you have some crafty materials at home. If you don't, it's okay. I understand. We'll make some adjustments and we'll figure some stuff out. Um, but I'll give you some guidelines as to kind of what I want you to be doing with your trifolds and how I want you to go about like presenting that. Okay. Because it'll be like a video style. You can send it to me. I want to see pictures of it, stuff like that. Now, those requirements for your trifolds, if you're trying to do all of those requirements, those will remain. Okay. So those will still be on Classroom on that Google Doc that will be there. And so if you're wondering what those requirements are, you can look there and you can run with that type of stuff. Obviously, there will be modifications. Okay, so do not stress about it. All right. Also, then we are and I'm gonna give you a schedule for all this, so don't worry too much. This is me just touching base. Okay. Um, Hopefully we can maybe do the recipes, okay? Again, I understand that might be limited for some of you, but it also might be a good opportunity of your home and you can bake stuff. So you can send me pictures of it. I want to know these things, you can review it, that type of stuff. And so um, if you get the opportunity to like know what your recipe is, you can tell me. I'll let you like you can tell me what it is, maybe be getting those ingredients, and then you can make it at home and your family can enjoy it rather than us as a class. Okay, so that's kind of an opportunity there. Again, modifications for sure. And then we will be doing a website, okay? I do not want any of you to worry about getting started with it. I will give you detailed tutorials about how to go about that. Um, but obviously you're gonna, you won't need supplies. You will just need your Chromebooks and internet access. And also, again, I know that might be dicey for some of you, and so you just can be in touch with me, and we will figure it out. Again, the original requirements and like the modifications that can go with that. I will be in touch about what I want for that. So, just know that that's kind of on the horizon, some things that you can be thinking about. It might look different for each of you, but that project remains. But obviously, we'll change it, and it might be a good little thing for you guys to be working on, okay? Um, Also, your country profiles. A couple of you have reached out to me. We will continue with country profiles. Country profile was scheduled to be due tomorrow on Friday, which is March 27th. I pushed back that due date to April 10th, Friday, April 10th. So that's 15 days from now, 2 weeks from now. And so I will put on Classroom next week a new country for that. Um, and that due date will be there. And I'll assign you guys your countries, okay? So don't worry about it. Enjoy the weekend. And then Monday we'll kind of dive in with some things. And, it's going to be different for each of you. It's going to be case by case. And I'm going to be flexible. And I want you all, hopefully, to watch this. And I want to just hear back from all of you who maybe heard or saw this video. So, guys, stay safe out there. I look forward to hearing from you. We're taking this day by day. Be communicating with me. Also, those of you who are like, oh no, I don't want my grade's not where I want it to be. You're going to have some opportunity. Okay. If you want to bump that grade, don't worry about it. You will have opportunity to do so, and don't worry about like, oh no, I don't want my grade to go lower. You just hang in there. Just know that I'm going to be reasonable. Things are going to be cool. We're going to get through this. Okay? All right. I just want to check in. I will talk to you all later.